How to pin videos on your TikTok profile. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to pin videos on your TikTok profile. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch TikTok app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign in to your account. Now tap profile icon at bottom right corner to access your profile feed. After that, you will reach on your profile feed. Simply, you have to choose the particular video that you want to pin on your TikTok profile. So if this is the video that you want to pin on your TikTok profile, you simply need to select the three dots at bottom right corner of the screen. Now at bottom of the screen, you will see different kinds of icon. Simply next to the save video, you will see pin icon. Tap pin and thus this video will be pinned to the top of your profile. So simply when someone visits your profile, they will see this video at first on your profile feed. So that is how we successfully pin videos on our TikTok profile. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.